Hello, I am Michel Poletti. I am with my wife Catherine. I am the founder of UTMB. This year is the 19th edition of the UTMB. So now we have 8 races for more than 10,000 people, 10,000 runners, happy to run, to be part of the UTMB Mont Blanc. We got more than 110 nationalities represented on UTMB. And the story started almost 20 years ago in the street of Chamonix, when the president of my running club was not happy because a race around the Mont Blanc, it was a relay race, has been cancelled, and it was not happy. So I talked with him 1 time, 2 times, 3 times in the street of Chamonix, and he was always angry. And so I said, okay, René, his name is René, will organize a meeting and we'll talk of that. And here in France it was 2002. It was the beginning of the trail running. The first big race of trail running, Les Templiers, has been created in 1995, so just a little bit before. At this meeting we said, okay, we can organize a race around the Mont Blanc, but another race, not a relay race, it's boring. We want something, a true adventure race. And a true adventure race is individual, all around the Mont Blanc, 100 miles, 10,000 meters of elevation, positive, the same on descent. And that's it, and we started like this.
Hello， 大家好，我是香夫昭，我来自中国。今年我参加的是 UTMB 组别。
I'm Stingray. I'm from Philippines.
สวัสดีครับ J Chantara Boon I come from Thailand.
This is Anne, the first finisher of the UTMB in South Korea.
My name is นัฐกร หวานรอบรู้ nickname ต้อง I'm from Thailand.
Hello， 大家好，我是赵家驹，今年是我第2次来到 UTMB。
大家好，我是邓国敏，我来自中國。
我是羅燦華，我今年參加 UTMB 171公里組別。
Hello， 大家好，我是苑橋，我來自北京。
我係黃浩聰，我係嚟自香港嘅。為咗今次 UTMB 我做咗好充足嘅準備。
My wife was unemployed at that time, and so as a volunteer she began to organize the things. I helped her the morning before going to work, at noon, the evening, the night, and we got 700 runners for the first edition. It was just amazing. We got 1,400 runners for the second edition in 2004. We got 2,000 runners, and it was full for the third edition in 2005. And so we decided to create another race, a shorter one, the CCC, starting from Courmayeur, going to Switzerland and coming back here in Chamonix.
Most competitive field in history, though, is going to make it extra exciting, extra challenging. So let's see what happens. Race day.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Sunmaya Buddha. I'm from Nepal.
大家好，我是闫龙飞，我来自中國河北。
Hello， 大家好，我是申嘉生，我來自雲南。
其實我哋香港嚟㗎，今次第一次嚟參加 UTMB 啊。
I'm Yoshihiko Ohara. I'm from Japan.
South Korea, waiting.
Good. Indonesia.
And we got the CCC was full in just 2 years. It was just amazing. And after that we were looking for something different. In 2007 we had at that time more than 4,000, quite 5,000 runners with UTMB and CCC, and we saw that the event was going to be a very, very big event. not as big as he is right now, but it was already a big event. And we wanted something special to keep the values, because we are living in the mountains. Trail running is mainly a sport with very strong values, and we wanted something very special to keep these values. And so we created the PTL. The PTL is longer, much more longer than the UTMB, but it's not the same thing.
We're running for the Philippines.
Indonesia. PTL 300 kilometers. How do you feel now? Very excited.
Japan. Looking forward to it.
The PTL is more an adventure race. Teams of 2 or 3 people going for a whole week in the mountains. It's not alpinism, but it's close to alpinism. It's where you can go with just a basket, with just running shoes. You don't need special material, but you need to take care because it can be very steep. It's much more difficult than UTMB. So it's a big adventure for 100 teams of 2 or 3 runners, and it's a question of solidarity, question of authenticity, and that are the values that we want to keep alive in the UTMB, and the PTL was the race to keep these values alive. But it was not enough, because we had still too much demands, and so we made the decision to create in 2009 to create a new race, starting also from Courmayeur, Italy, arriving also in Chamonix, but turning in the other way. The CCC is going to Switzerland, the TDS is going to Savoie, and then come back here in Chamonix. And so the TDS is the third very long race, very long distance race we created in 2009, and we had also a big success.
Hello, Namaste, this is Mira Rai. I'm from Nepal.
My name is Dendi. I'm from Indonesia. I ran TDS this year.
Julian, coming from Hong Kong and ready to enjoy the TDS 2022.
Hey, my name is Matt Lang. I'm from Cambodia, based in Hong Kong.
Hi, my name is Dick. I'm from Hong Kong.
我是色鱼谢文飞，从广州来。
来到这里，我参加 TDS。
Et c'est parti pour ces 145 km de légende, 9100 mètres de dénivelé positive.
But in Switzerland, the people they said, okay, you have 2 starts in Courmayeur, you have 2 starts in Chamonix with the PTL and the UTMB, and all the arrivals in Chamonix. We would like to have a start. The race starting from Switzerland. And so in 2014 we created the OCC, a shorter one of 55 kilometers, and it has been also a big success.
Présent sur cette édition 2022.
Hello， 大家好，我是罗涛，我来自贵州遵义。我今年是我第2次参加 OCC 的比赛，希望这次比赛能顺利完成。
加油啊！中国成都，加油加油！
And we created also after that the MCC, a race dedicated for volunteers, for partners, for locals.
My name is Nobuhito Kubo. I'm from Japan.
我是跑野大爆炸的孙瑞一，我来自上海。
Very good experience to come here.
And that's the race who happened just today.
我今年结婚，正好和我老公来跑 UTMB。
We have just the last finisher of the MCC right now arriving in Chamonix. And we created also this year a new 15K race in Courmayeur.
Hi, I'm Eng Peng Lee from Malaysia.
Hi, welcome to UTMB.
Hello, I'm Joy Eder Santa Clara from the Philippines. My name is Prida Hontorit, nickname Pung. I'm come from Thailand.
Hi.
We're from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
We're trying to compete in the ETC category UTMB.
Even if they are running only 50K, or they are running the full UTMB 170K, or even the PTL, the race adventure for 1 week. For sure at the UTMB Mont Blanc, and we are waiting for them, and we hope that they will be on the podium, or maybe they will win the race. We'll see.
Il est l'heure de démarrer.
Hello， 非常好啊，好舒服。而家凍啦，而家開始要走啦。
Yep, good strong. I mean, steady pace, no rush. That's my plan, so just steady.